Even though the cloning method using restriction enzyme and DNA ligase is widely used as a traditional gene manipulation technique, it has several disadvantages. Easy Fusion Cloning Kit fuses the identical sequences of 18 nucleotide at the ends of PCR product and vector, which can be a solution to the disadvantage of traditional cloning method. Easy Fusion Cloning Kit is a DNA ligation method independent of ligase, and its core technique is the regulation of the single-strand length on the ends of double-strand DNA. Cloning efficiency can be enhanced through the precision in overhang length regulation, so this method can be useful for various gene manipulation experiments, including PCR product cloning. For Easy Fusion cloning, vector required to be linearized by restriction enzymes or PCR. Any site on vector is possible for cloning, and phosphatase treatment is not required. Primer design is the most important factor in Easy Fusion cloning. Make sure that 5' ends of primer contain 18 nucleotide sequence homologous to vector ends. Amplify insert DNA in PCR reaction using the designed primer. Insert DNA is not restricted by size. Fuse prepared linearized vector and amplified insert DNA using Easy Fusion cloning mix. Without ligase treatment, this reaction is completed within 15 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. This makes directional cloning possible without any single sequence loss in the process. In addition, experiment time is reduced due to elimination of subcloning. Cloning selection is possible on the very next day after the transformation of competent cells with completed reaction mixture. Because the homologous sequences of insert and vector are fused without ligation reaction, there is no self-ligation, which leads to high cloning efficiency. With Easy Fusion Cloning Kit, it is possible to conduct the cloning of several inserts at once. In addition, owing to this kit, it is easy to perform mutagenesis and prepare modular vectors. You can design primer for this versatile cloning kit if you visit Enzynomics, where you can design it precisely and conveniently using Primer Design Program. Now let's begin with Enzynomics and solve every problem in cloning. Enzynomics.